going to do a walk around on a 236D skid steer. Where we want to start is back here. We're going to start with the engine compartment. Alright, got a latch right here. Unlatch the door. Come in here, so we're going to have fuel. Okay, we're going to have engine oil fill. And we're going to have our dipstick for engine check. We're going to check the oil here. Wipe it off. Come back in. Okay, your oil should be between those dots. Alright, this is your safe range. When you get below the bottom dot, you need to add motor oil. Be about a gallon of motor oil you're going to add. Put this back in. While you're in here, you want to do a visual. You just want to make sure you don't have any cracks, any leaks. Guarding's all good. This is our coolant. This is our overflow cold. Okay, so it's full cold right now. We lift this up. Come back. We have a radiator fill here. Remember, these systems are pressurized, so you always want to do this cold first thing in the morning. Okay, come back down here. I'll latch this. Okay, air cleaner. Clean this. Get the solids out. Just pinch this. Okay, pinch that. You can see some dirt and stuff that's clogged in here. That's basically all you need to do as an operator. We'll come back here. On here is a grease service chart. Okay, so if you get confused, you're not sure where some of your fittings are or what oil goes in where, you look right around here and it's your whole chart. Okay, once I've inspected, everything looks good back here. I'm going to close this. I'm looking at my lights, making sure my light's good. That the machine hasn't been damaged at all. Okay, my grease points. I'll point out some grease points on the machine. You got a grease point here. This point here is a remote fitting. You access from here. Okay, we're going to come down here. This is a hydraulic fill. It's important to read the caps correctly because the other series they came out with used to have fuel here. So that's telling us no fuel, hydraulic, and there's a sight glass back in here. It's real hard to see. Continuing down, there's some grease points here. I'm looking at my tires inside and out. Okay, looking at lug nuts, air stems, just the general condition of the tires, making sure there's no slices on them. Kind of look inside a little bit if you can. Okay. Around here, these two lines here, they ran remote lines to bottom fittings to make this one easier to grease. So these are grease fittings for your quick coupler. Okay. You also have a fitting down here, and you have a fitting the upper end of this cylinder back here. There's a lot of hidden fittings on them. Okay, I'm inspecting my bucket here for any cracks, my cutting edge, just making sure everything looks good, there's no loose bolts on it. Same thing here, as I get on the other side of the machine, coming around here, I have a grease fitting down here, got one behind here, fitting here, there's a remote fitting, takes care of this pin back here, okay, and this is your safety lockout bar.